The complete guide to Python data structures, list, tuple, dict. Python is often praised for its simplicity, but its true power lies in its versatility, specifically, how it allows you to organize and manage information. The fundamental built-in data structures, lists, tuples, and dictionaries, are the core tools you'll use for almost any programming task, from simple scripts to complex data analysis. This guide provides a comprehensive breakdown of these three essential structures, explaining what they are, how they work, and when to use each one effectively. 1. Python lists. The flexible, mutable sequence. The Python list is perhaps the most common and versatile of the data structures. It's an ordered sequence of items, and crucially, it is mutable, meaning you can change its contents after it has been created. Key characteristics. Feature description. Syntax defined using square brackets. Order ordered. Items maintain the order in which they were added. Mutability mutable. Items can be added, removed, or changed. Contents can hold mixed data types, integers, strings, or even other lists. Python tuples. The immutable, safe sequence. The tuple is similar to the list in that it is an ordered sequence of items. However, the critical difference is that a tuple is immutable. Once a tuple is created, its contents cannot be modified. When to use a tuple? Use a tuple when you have data that should not change, such as coordinates, configuration settings, or return values from a function where the number and type of elements are fixed. They are generally faster and use less memory than lists. Python dictionaries. The power of key-value mapping. Unlike lists and tuples, which are indexed by sequential numbers, the dictionary, or dict, stores data in key-value pairs. This structure allows you to retrieve a value using a descriptive key, like a word in a dictionary, instead of an index number. When to use a dictionary. Dictionaries are perfect for modeling real-world objects that have named properties, such as a user profile, a company's product inventory, or configuration settings. Summary. When to choose which structure. Choosing the right structure is key to writing clean, efficient Python code.